Welcome back to Western New York Living. Now, there are many falsehoods that may be floating around when it comes to weight loss. You probably heard them over the years, maybe more than you care to remember. Well, one of those falsehoods we're going to talk about and prove wrong this morning is that it's more difficult for women to lose weight once they've reached their 30s, 40s, or even after having a baby. It's a topic that Donna Herberger from the Ideal You Weight Loss Center is very familiar with, and so is Kim Szyminski, and I want to thank you both for being here today.
Thank you.
Good morning. Now, Donna, I feel like I've taken away the surprise of what we're going to talk to Kim about. Can you explain Kim's story?
Kim came to us right around after Valentine's Day of 2025. And how much weight did you initially want to lose?
I wanted to lose about 60 pounds.
And she went way beyond that. And that's why I wanted to have her here today. Because just like the man we had on a few weeks ago, the guy next door, she's the girl next door, and she did amazing.
Thank you, Donna.
Was there a moment, like a aha moment, or something that you're like, I've got to do something? What was that moment that flipped the switch?
The moment was when it occurred every day when I would get out of bed and I would just ache. I felt much older than I am. Everything hurt, and it was really stopping me from participating in family events. I felt just not good about myself. My self-esteem was very low. I always felt like I wanted to stay away from social events because of my size and the way I felt uncomfortable. Yes, absolutely.
Tell me about your sessions at the Ideal You Weight Loss Center. What did you go through, and how did they help your accountability with your weight loss?
Oh, absolutely. So I did attend a virtual open house with Donna and some other women, and I joined the next day and started at the Clarence location. Both of my coaches were amazing. They were with me every step of the way. And one thing that I found incredibly helpful was the accountability of journaling. When you put something down in your journal and it comes to life, it really makes you very much accountable for what you're eating and how you feel.
Well, we have some photos to share, before and after photos of you. And so we'll take a look at those. And how much weight have you lost, and how long did it take?
I lost 86 pounds, and it took me from February until December.
Right.
That's amazing.
About 10 months.
10 months of weight loss, healthy weight loss.
Yes.
And you also did a makeover with our friends
Yes.
at Capello's. Tell me about the makeover. Fun experience?
Oh, it was so much fun. When the way I felt before I lost the weight, I would never have wanted to treat myself so well. And when I had the makeover, it really was such a fun experience, and just to be like taken care of that way was just an honor.
It's a $250 makeover, and we're happy to give it to those who are successful.
That is lovely. What would you say to the old you, like before Valentine's Day a year ago? What would you say to that person?
What would I say? I definitely, I'm not ashamed of the old me, but I am rocking the new me. I would never go back. I am so happy. I feel so good. I feel that this program has helped me change my lifestyle for 100% the better.
Donna, how do
Yes.
people get started with the program?
Well, if anyone's a hockey mom like Kim, who has a
And
full-time job,
baseball,
and
yeah.
now she's a coach at our West Seneca location, go to our website, idealyou.com. You might end up having Kim as a coach.
That's amazing. You'd be a great coach. Thank you so much for joining us in the studio today, and thank you for sharing your story.
Thank you so much for having me.
Very motivational.
Great.
Whatever your weight loss goals are, the Ideal You Weight Loss Center can help you successfully reach them. Most importantly, keep the weight off. They are your healthy, rapid weight loss center. They have 3 locations in our area. If you want to find out more about their weight loss program, head to their website at idealyou.com. Donna also suggests that you register for one of their upcoming virtual or in-person open houses.